Ms. Eveline, this rug has been completely washed. And as you can see, this fringe is really in bad shape. So the customer wanted us to remove the fringe, and you can see the fringe has been removed, and this is going to be hand serging that we're doing all the way down this rug. So Ms. Eveline is actually going to remove all this fringe, and it'll be a very nice smooth finish. This will protect the rug. It will never have to worry about fringe getting caught in a vacuum cleaner again. And this is just one of the custom techniques that we do here at Oriental Rug Care.